Oakland, downtown Oakland. Always come to San Francisco, right? But you never get to come see this side of San Francisco, which is Oakland. Fabulously historic. Lionel Wilson built it. The corner here. How lovely. That's the City Hall. Rotunda. City Hall and beautiful architecture. Absolutely everything is run down, folks, and it's scary to see how a country built on absolute creativity and joy of incredible energy and patriotism has now been ripped into becoming a failed state. It's a scary thought, looking into the next generation. Yeah, Saigon restaurants ripped up there. That's the City Hall just there. And look at the architecture. That's right. Look at that architecture of the City Hall, right? Is it Hot Boy? It's one of my places. I don't know what they've got. What they have? This is Telegraph, Oakland. Wow, look at this. Egyptian setup. Nice. Beautiful. Cool. Wow, glorious sunshine. Sun is setting out there on the west. And beautiful. I always find an awkward spots, but at the same time, it's fabulously. Yeah. Look at this. This is where I came from. All right. Uptown Square, landmark, crossroads.